Alright, what's up guys? It's been a while. Currently kind of getting a plan together about where I'm about to go. I've been on this road once just recently. It's all gravel, and like this part of North Carolina, there it is, Mortimer Campground. This entire part of the state is like so much gravel roads and secluded. It's very close to the Trans-America Trail, right there in that blue and red line. But I've been cruising around here a lot, just kind of exploring. But it's my next right here off the Blue Ridge Parkway, so we're gonna go ahead and jump over there right now. Alright. Well, let me close my visor so I can talk for a second. It's been a while since I've recorded. Glad to be back for a hot second. I don't really get to ride much anymore. I'm lucky to get to ride maybe once a week. Because life has just gotten very, very busy. There's been a couple big life changes. Which has taken up a lot of time, which is perfect. Like, there's no issues, it just takes up time. So currently don't get to leisurely ride much anymore. I do ride my bike to work every once in a while, but yes, it is so good to finally be back, have another channel, or sorry, another video for the channel. I just pulled this camera, this GoPro back out. I really don't know how long this battery's going to last. I believe it was 78-ish or maybe 80%. I tried to charge a couple batteries while I was throwing stuff together. I actually didn't plan on recording at all, but I thought, while I've got a few seconds or a couple hours, and I mean, I really don't have long to ride today either. It's a Saturday, but just so much to do all the time. But I had a couple hours. I wanted to explore down here again. I was up here a few weeks ago, and there was a couple roads I kind of wanted to see. If I have time. I feel like I'm not going to have time, so I'm probably just going to cruise through the same roads that I did last time and then rush back to the house. But yes, it is so good to be back recording. It's really weird to be talking to myself and whoever else watches these videos, but it feels weird, but it feels right. So if I can make a couple of videos from this, I will. I don't know if I'll have enough battery life or time to record too much. It may just be a one video thing, and I might be able to make another one sometime in the next few weeks, but as of now, I don't really have any plans on doing any kind of a trip this year. I would love to. That being said, it doesn't take much for me to just request a few days off work and be like, all right, I'm rolling out. But that doesn't work as well this year, because I can't really just up and go like I used to be able to. So also, I have not done anything to this bike. In fact, the tires are the same tires that were on it last year. I'm going to take my trip last year, and I've been riding on them this year too. So they are quite worn down. In fact, I wouldn't take another trip on them. It's kind of sketchy even riding them now on a road like this, but so I wanted to. The reason I grabbed things, threw them all together again, because I've been wanting to record again, and just every time I get on the bike or go to ride, I kind of just don't have the motivation to, you know, get the camera gear hooked back up. I took everything off the helmet, including the microphone, because I had switched it out for a Bluetooth headset where I can I'm having a brain fart. You know, we can talk to other riders because and listen to the radio or your music and stuff and talk on the phone. So I kind of pulled, this is neat. So I pulled all the GoPro stuff out, replaced it with all that. So every time I want to record, I just haven't felt like taking the time to put another microphone back in it, because the microphone for the Bluetooth headset is not compatible with the GoPro. Surprise, surprise. But I went ahead and just quickly, haphazardly threw my microphone back in it today, and decided to throw together quick recording so I could kind of play on YouTube again. Don't know when I'll get a chance to edit this video / videos and upload them, but I'm going to do it as soon as I can. But one of the reasons I wanted to get back, I decided to do it is because I really enjoyed, when I first made this YouTube channel, I really wanted to just show North Carolina and all these kind of roads, and then it kind of turned into the Trans-America Trail trip, and then that turned into last year's trip, which I never did finish the videos for. If anybody religiously follows me, which I really don't think there's anybody who religiously does that, you notice the videos kind of just cut off. I stopped making them. Ended up deleting everything because I needed the card for what we do for our side business, and so the external hard drive had all those videos on them. But I had recorded a wedding or two, and I really needed the space because the computer's filling up and the hard drives are filling up and all of our memory. Instead of buying, I need something then and now, instead of buying another large hard drive. Oh, that's a pipe. Let's move that out of the way. Instead of buying another large hard drive, it was easier to just delete a bunch of stuff, and that included all of last year's trip. Pardon me, I can't remember if I meant to do that or not, but I deleted everything. Here, that should be fun. I deleted everything, so that trip's never going to be posted. What I posted is what you get. It was cool at the time. Really, the highlight of the trips I pretty much had finished, which was, there we go, which was seeing the eagle, and really just the first parts of the trip. It was rainy for the first few days, and then it was sunny for the last couple of days, and then, you know, that was pretty much it. So there wasn't a whole lot to see except more gravel roads here and there. Oh, here comes somebody now. They should just stop because I'm going to have to go by here in a second anyway. See you soon. Anyway, so those videos are gone. It does kind of suck, but it is what it is. That's alright. A lot of that trip I posted last year and the Trans-America is all kind of the same stuff, so it really wasn't anything crazy. I don't remember if I posted, or how far I posted into that trip, but I think anyway, I don't remember. I can't remember what I posted about it because I've not really checked the YouTube channel in a very, very long time, almost a year. So is it almost a year? I don't know. No, it's not almost a year. I took the trip in June, July, and I grabbed a loose and posted probably in August or I really don't remember. Well, it looks fun. Didn't know you could camp there. Neat. So anyway, that's enough about that. So now I'm kind of, it's not really a clean slate, but it's kind of like, well, I'm not really going to focus on taking long trips anymore. I'm going to focus more on the original idea for the channel, which was just to explore North Carolina. So that's what I'm going to do now. Thank you. And that being said, so today I'm riding towards Mortimer, North Carolina. It's not really, I don't know if it's an actual city, has any limits. It's got one historic sort of shop, and I think it's Betsy's Old Country Store or something like that, or Betsy's Country Store. There's all kinds of stuff down here as far as like outdoorsy stuff. You know, there's kayaking, fishing, hiking. I'm sure it's plenty of hunting. I'm not sure how far the National Forest extends through here, but I'm pretty sure it's almost all of it's National Forest. But I've been wanting to see what Mortimer was for the last few years. Just haven't had the time or the energy to really seek it out yet. But I did just a few weeks ago, and this was the road I had taken. Pretty much went down, saw it, came back out. But when I got down there, I realized there's all kinds of roads everywhere down here, and everything's gravel. Now on the what I ride a lot is that same trail from, it's on the Trans-America Trail from, I pretty much go to Blowing Rock via the Parkway, and then ride all the way back on the Trans-America Trail section, which is pretty much all gravel. There's some road here and there, some paved sections, but that's usually, you know, a 3-hour day. If I just take my time, it's you can ride a whole lot faster. But the last time I did that, I decided to not turn where I usually turn, because I know the road, there's a paved section where it just keeps going straight and turns to gravel again. So I wanted to see what was going on there. It turned out to be, it turned into gravel, and it was really pretty. There were a lot of neat small waterfalls. If I remember what that was called, I'll tell you, but I don't. But I'll explore it again one day and record it as well. But this road, oh, it's paved right here. I don't think this is called Edgemont Road. This is a sign. Roseboro Road is this one. This is Roseboro Road. Okay. So now the paved section is over. We're back to dirt and gravel. I'll open my visor as well. I don't know if this is going to be popping and cracking like it used to, because I didn't actually take time to test the mic placement this time. I just kind of shoved it in the helmet and went with it. Hopefully this video isn't all pops and cracks. So I glanced at the maps. I think Roseboro Road, which is this one, will take me to maybe Edgemont, or like Edgemont Road or something. Can't remember. And then to Mortimer. Oh wow! See, last time I was here, well, people camping everywhere. Last time I was here, this place was completely empty. Neat. I bet then this road's going to be a little busier. Of course, now it is currently April. I think last time I was here was in March. It wasn't super warm that day, so I would say now that we're coming into spring, all the out-of-staters are going to be coming in. Probably can't really tell on the camera, but there are a lot of these kind of immovable large rocks. Not really, I wouldn't call them like the baby heads, but well, there's a couple big ones. So I'm not just swerving for the fun of it. It is warm. I may have to take this jacket off and open up the vents. I want to say last time I came through here, there were a lot of bicyclists. I guess this Roseboro Road is a popular one.